You will love the features of this 2025 Ford Escape Plug-in Hybrid. Step into the future with the Ford Escape Plug-in Hybrid, a seamless blend of innovation, efficiency, and versatility. This exceptional SUV offers an impressive electric-only range of up to 37 miles, perfect for your everyday commutes. While the 2.5L iVCT Atkinson Cycle i4 engine kicks in for those longer journeys. Equipped with cutting-edge technology like the Sync system and the comprehensive Ford Copilot 360 suite, the Escape Plug-in Hybrid ensures you're always connected and safe. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, pre-collision system, intelligent auto on-off high beams, lane departure warning, tires all season, 4-cylinder engine, heated mirrors, satellite radio, iPod, MP3 input, fog lamps. Enjoy a driving experience that's as exhilarating as it is eco-friendly with the Ford Escape Plug-in Hybrid.